That's the big chicken and one of the little ones now. You got parrot chickens on you, Josh.
Dude, that is so fucking awesome.
Oh my god,
my
3 chickens on him.
Holy shit.
Josh is the chicken man.
You are the chicken
chicken
whisperer, dude.
Chicken whisperer, that's it.
They fucking love you.
Hey Josh.
The Colonel wishes he was me.
Josh. The Colonel does wish he was you.
You just got his fucking position.
The Colonel wishes he was you, but let's get a Mick pick too. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, McNuggets.
Joshua, you've just been granted a fucking battlefield promotion, man. You are now the Colonel. Congratulations.
Walk up on that and look at Zoo, like get close to him.
Hopefully they won't fly off.
I don't think they'll fly off. They like Josh enough. They're pretty comfortable.
Are you alright?
Dude, that is awesome.
Okay.
What are you guys doing?
Damn, they love the shit out of you.
Hello, little ones.
Oh! Okay.
I'm right back up on Joshua.
That's so cool.
You are literally
That's
their.
kind of crazy.
You're their master, man.
Dude, I've never had this much power before.
You're their king.
That one's
know
just
what to
laying
do.
on him.
Yeah.
Like, the one in the middle is just laying there, like flat bellied, like on his belly.
Dude,
Dude,
this is my family now. Uh-huh. Yes. Where's the gold? Okay.
This other one's about to try and fly over here or something. This is looking like it, like he's about to fly off of you and come one direction or another.
You okay?
You have become one of them.
Are they freaking out or what are they doing?
No, they're just hanging out. 2 of them are looking in the back of the field now.
It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, that is my ear.
Yeah, they're just hanging out, man. They're just... You're gonna have to send these to my mom in an email.
Oh, yeah.
Well, hello, little guy. Hi. What you doing up there? What you doing, bud?
Are you okay?
What's up, bud?
Dude, he's gonna lay down on the back here. Oh, wait. Hopefully he doesn't go. You might want to walk away from the camper in case he wants to fly.
Is he laying on me?
Yeah.
Is that thing laying down?
Yeah, he's chilling.
Woosah.
Welcome, Ryan. Oh no, he's going to fly.
That is awesome.
He's gonna come after Hershey next. Yeah, okay.
Dude, that is so cool.
Yeah. Oh, I see. Okay.
I think the big one's jealous of the one sitting on top of your head.
I think so. It is. It's like, hey, I want to be up there.
Yeah.
Come on. I was not expecting it that time. I think you got the back of my arm there.
He just wall runned up your
God.
These things are ninjas.
These are the coolest fucking chickens I've ever seen.
Is that the big one?
Yeah. Well, what's up, guys? What you doing, chickies? What? You got some alone time? Ah! There's the chickens on me. Oh, you tickled my neck so good. I like.
Oh my
Thought
god.
of you, right? Shit.
Thought he was gonna try and land on my face.
Oh wow.
It tickles so bad. These chickens are so cool.
They're pretty wicked.
These are the coolest chickens ever, dude. I gotta take them home. I'm serious. These are my chickens now, man.
These things are cool.
It's like they want to form a nest on you now.
Well, they're welcome to hang out, you know.
One's about to pop an egg out.
Don't say that, because it could be a turd. You know, chickens just kind of shit whenever, man. So if I get shit on my ear, these chickens are going down. Are they just laying there?
They're just chilling.
Yeah, they're
pretty
just
much.
hanging out.
Like laying down, getting up,
on your
talking smack.
butt.
What? What are you doing?
Is there one on my head?
No. One's on your neck.
One's on your neck, yeah.
Oh, okay. Is it laying there?
Yeah.
I'm like, man, the back of my neck is getting warm.
Oh, that is awesome.
Well, hey, if I need to take a shit, who's getting me toilet paper? I mean, I'm kind of mama hen now, right? What'd you say?
Dude, they're going to sleep.
Really, buddy?
Yeah, I think.
The one in the middle's trying to go to sleep.
Alright.
Wow.
Well, I can't stay like this all night.
Yeah.
They're really calm.
Yeah.
Yep. Shit. Hey, America's Got Talents on, guys. We're supposed to be in there watching. Hey, you should send this fucking
This
video
should be
into
our
America's
act.
Got Talent. And say, hey, look, these are the fucking chicken whisperers, bro. Like, we could do tricks like that guy did with the dog, but with the chickens. Look, and I got my 3 fucking chickies on my back. And he's got his 3 chickies on his back. We can dance around like this.
Dude, they can fly from person to person.
Fly like a parrot. You know what? That'd be cool. What if we could train a chicken
man.
to talk, and then we could tell it when to lay a fucking egg? I'm hungry.
Dude, they're listening to you. They like the idea.
Chibi, chibi, chibi.
The Chicken Masters.
They're so cool.